For many, Umrah is more than just a pilgrimage. It's a journey of the soul, a sacred ritual that brings peace, purpose, and closeness to Allah. This is my story of Umrah. It all started with a deep longing in my heart. I knew it was time to embark on this spiritual journey. My family and I packed our bags, filled with excitement, nervousness, and anticipation. As we flew towards the Holy Land, my heart was overwhelmed with emotions. I could hardly believe that soon I would be standing in the presence of the Kaaba, the house of Allah. Makkah is a city like no other. The streets are alive with pilgrims from every corner of the world, all with one purpose, to worship and seek Allah's mercy. And there it was, the Kaaba. The sight took my breath away. It felt as though time stood still. Every worry, every fear melted away, and all that remained was a deep connection with the divine. Performing Tawaf, circling the Kaaba 7 times, I felt a sense of unity with every pilgrim. We were all one, bonded by our faith, moving in harmony around the house of Allah. Next was Sa'i, the walk between Safa and Marwa. As I retraced the steps of Hajar, I couldn't help but admire her unwavering faith. Her story reminded me of the importance of trust in Allah's plan, even in times of hardship. Drinking Zamzam water was like tasting the blessings of Allah. It quenched not just my physical thirst, but my spiritual thirst as well. The water was pure, refreshing, and filled me with gratitude. As I completed my Umrah, I prayed with all my heart. I prayed for my family, for my friends, and for every Muslim around the world. I prayed for peace, for forgiveness, and for guidance on the right path. Umrah is more than just rituals. It's a journey of self-discovery, a journey of faith, and a journey that brings you closer to Allah. I left Makkah with a renewed spirit, a lighter heart, and a deeper connection to my Creator. Alhamdulillah.
If you want some more videos, like and subscribe my channel.